Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we have a review of the device and the review of the new handheld gaming PC. AYANEO KUN will be among the latest devices that feature the flagship AMD Ryzen 7 and 7840U processor. The review will be of the 7 most powerful AYANEO KUN and Onyx Player 2 Pro devices and Asus ROG Ally and One X Fly and AYAXO A1 Pro and AYANEO 2S and Steam Deck and Switch OLED. The review will include the difference between the length, weight, and width of the devices. Let's begin. AYANEO KUN opposite Onyx Player 2 Pro. The AYANEO KUN measures 31 cm high and 13 cm wide. The weight of the device is 950 grams. The other device comes Onyx Player 2 Pro, and the device comes with a length of 31 cm, which is the same length as the AYANEO KUN, with a width of 12.8 cm. Which is almost the same as the width of the AYANEO KUN, with a weight of 848 grams. We bring the second device, the One X Fly opposite AYANEO KUN. The One X Fly device is 25.5 centimeters wide and 10 centimeters high, with a weight of 580 grams. In contrast, the AYANEO KUN comes with a width of 31 centimeters and a height of 13 centimeters with a weight of 950 grams. And here comes the third device, ROG Ally opposite device AYANEO KUN. The Asus ROG Ally is as wide as the Asus ROG Ally 28 centimeters with a height of 11 centimeters. The device weighs 600 grams. The AYANEO KUN measures 31 centimeters wide, 13 centimeters high, and weighs 950 grams. The fourth device comes Switch OLED opposite AYANEO KUN. The Switch OLED display comes 24 centimeters with a height of 10 centimeters and a weight of 240 grams. The AYANEO KUN measures 31 centimeters wide, 13 centimeters high, and weighs 950 grams. The fifth well-known device comes the Steam Deck opposite AYANEO KUN. The Steam Deck is coming up 30 centimeters with a height of 12 centimeters, and the device weighs 670 grams, and the AYANEO KUN measures 31 centimeters wide, 13 centimeters high, and weighs 950 grams. The sixth device comes AYAXO A1 Pro in a confrontation device AYANEO KUN. The AYAXO A1 Pro comes in a width of 28 centimeters and a height of 13 centimeters and weighs 729 grams, and the AYANEO KUN measures 31 centimeters wide, 13 centimeters high, and weighs 950 grams. Finally, a device from the same company that manufactures the two devices, AYANEO 2S. In a confrontation AYANEO KUN, the AYANEO 2S comes with a width of 26 centimeters and a height of 10.5 centimeters. It weighs 667 grams. The AYANEO KUN measures 31 centimeters wide, 13 centimeters high, and weighs 900